Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Abdullah Patel English High School and DRT Junior College. Let's start by our subject English. Today we are going to start by our section number 3, writing skill. Last topic of this unit, that is 3.6, group discussion, and hence we will going to complete by our third unit. Section 3, writing skill section, will be over, okay, with all the icebreakers and brainstorming activity. So if you are having any doubt in unit 3 writing skill, you can surely ask to me. Okay, now starting by the group discussion. What is group discussion? Before starting with the group discussion, there is icebreaker in your textbook. You must have discussed many things with your friends, classmates in a group. It might be about going on a picnic or selecting a gift for your teacher. Okay, so what do you think are the benefit of a group discussion? While discussing a thing, what are the benefits you are getting in that group discussion? So that three things you have to write over here. So what will be the benefit over here? So it provides a platform to explore our inherent skill. Second, it's provide a good base for academic knowledge. Third, it increases the understanding of the subject, right? Moving further, do you think some people are right and some are wrong in a group discussion? Why? People have different view and opinion because. So now the example of the second answer, you can write like, no one is right or wrong. Each one has a different opinion. Group discussion just help in the following. It helps evaluate whether a candidate is the right choice for the organization. It helps estimate how a participant operates under different situations in a group. It helps to judge how one imagines and maneuvers his ideas through the discussion. Then different perspectives you can keep, like, see, two is given to you geographical and culture, different perspective to men to our socio-economic background, and second one is ideology. Okay, then the next is complete a web highlighting the use of group discussion. One is done for you. Use of group discussion is in job interview. So in another box you can write like analysis of a case study. Uses of group discussion is also for analysis of the current political scenario. Uses of group discussion can be taken to evaluate the communication skills of a student, that is in oral exams. Okay. Now, starting by the explanation of the chapter, writing skill, that is group discussion. What is the exactly a group discussion? A group discussion should be a formal discussion conducted on a topic among a group of 10 to 12 participants. Whenever there is a group discussion, it should be between 10 to 12 participants, members. That should be a discussion between two is not a group discussion. Okay. The participant analyzes the topic from their respective angles and present their views and opinions. The group is given a topic. They contemplate on it for a few minutes and then start discussion. The discussion is usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Experts listen to the members and evaluate them. So this is in short a group discussion. How it should be happen, group discussion. So the group is given a topic first, they contemplate on it for a few minutes and then they start discussion on the topic, first the thing, and then they start discussion between the people. The discussion is usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Expert listen to the members and evaluate them. Then what are the kinds, types? So the group discussions are usually held on the topics of four kinds. Factual, for example, plastic should be banned. A social or political issues, for example, moral policing. Abstract, for example, conscience. And case study based, where the group discusses a case study and analyzes it or offer solutions. Group discussions are one of the effective interactive method of classroom learning. They are used to select candidates for different courses or for jobs by employers. They are used to gauge whether a candidate possesses a certain skill required for pursuing a particular course or a job that involves working in groups, giving opinions, and solve problems together to achieve common goals. The candidates are tested for their knowledge and communication skill as well as your ability to work as a part of a group and to lead others towards conclusion and solution. One should be able to use his understanding of a subject to give opinion on it and support his ideas with logical arguments. Means over here, whoever the participant are there in a group, they should be active. They should think, rethink, and then provide a suggestion. The language of group discussion. Here are some expressions you can use to perform different functions during a group discussion. Expressing opinion. I believe, I think. Could I make a point, please? In my opinion, it seems to me. Expressing agreement. Absolutely, you are right. I fully agree with. So these are the expression a person should give. Since communication is a two-way process, it is important that besides speaking, one listen to participants in the group discussion and respond to their idea or take them forward. You can contribute to a group discussion in some of the following ways, like helping it start, giving direction to it, making sure that everyone's views are heard and thought about so that the group moves towards some kind of agreement, and closing it with a summary or a proper conclusion. Suggesting like I think we should, or you can say why don't we, or you can say let's, or you can use couldn't we, or the last don't you think we could. Likewise, you can start your sentence while giving your suggestions. Asking for opinion from the group member, so you can like ask like what is your opinion on, what do you feel about, I wonder what do you think about, I would like to know your stand on. So these are the ways of asking for opinion. Then interrupting. If there is a discussion and in that discussion you want to interrupt, so how you will interrupt? So the way of interrupting is I am sorry to interrupt, but, or you can say excuse me, could I add something please, very politely. That's true, sorry, but. Likewise, you can interrupt in a group discussion. Handling interruptions. Just a moment, please. Could I finish what I'm saying? If you would just let me finish. You could wait for a minute, please. So these are the way of handling interruptions. Then concluding, to summarize, we can conclude by saying, let's run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussion. So these are the way of ending a group discussion. Now see, this is the paragraph given in your textbook. Just have a reading of this paragraph. Okay, John, Anamika, Manisha, evaluator. Okay, then here is your brainstorming activity. Rama, Asif, Ranjana and Arav are participating in a group discussion. The evaluator has given them a topic. Teenagers are more inclined towards junk food nowadays. Write suitable dialogue for each participant giving him her opinion on the topic. Okay, so I have given the answers to this question. Okay, of this also you can write on your own. More better answer can be written by you people. Before giving the answers to that question, let's have a quick revision of a group discussion. What we have to remember, what is a group discussion? A group discussion is a formal discussion conducted on a topic among a group of 10 to 12 participants. The participants analyze the topic from their respective angles and present their views or an opinion. The group is given a topic, they contemplate on it for a few minutes and then start discussion. The discussion is usually for 10 to 15 minutes. Then next what we have seen, group discussion held on topics. So on factual, that is realistic. So that was plastic should be banned. Social and political issue, moral policing. Abstract, conceptual, concise, that is sense of right or wrong. Case study, where the group discusses a case study and analyzes it or offers solution. So these are the four topics on which is the group discussion. Now the language of the group discussion, our gesture, what should be it like? So expressing opinion, in that what we have seen, yes, I believe, I think, could I make a point please, in my opinion, it seems to me. So this is your expression, in your answer should be likewise. Second, expressing agreement. If you agree with the discussion, so you will, what you will say, absolutely, or you can say you are right, or you can say I fully agree with you. Okay. Then third, expressing disagreement. If you don't like the discussion what they are doing, so what you will say, I am afraid, I don't agree with. I'm sorry, but I see it is little differently. I can see your point, but you may have something there, but I respect your point of view, but I am sorry, I can't go along with you on. So this is the expression of disagreement. Fourth, suggesting. While suggesting your suggestion, how you will start, I think we should, or you can say, why don't we, or you can say, let's, or you can say, couldn't we, don't you think we could. So these are the types of sentence you can begin while giving suggestions. Fifth, asking for an opinion. What is your opinion on? What do you feel about? I wonder what do you think about? I would like to know your stand on. So these are the way of asking for opinion. Sixth, interrupting. While interrupting between the discussion, so you can say, I'm sorry to interrupt, but, or you can say, excuse me, or you can say, could I add something please? That's true. Sorry, but, okay, so this is the way of interrupting. Handling interruptions, what is your opinion on? What do you feel about? I wonder what do you think about? I would like to know your stand on. Concluding, while concluding your discussion, you will say, like, to summarize, to conclude, or you can say, we can conclude by saying, or you can say, let's run quickly through the main ideas before concluding the discussions. Then see, I have given the answer to your brainstorming activity. Over here, the evaluator, you have all been given a few minutes to think on your topic for today's group discussion, which is, do you think teenagers should be given a separate mobile phone? You may now begin the discussion. Who would like to start? So this is the question of an evaluator for a group discussion. Okay. Answer, evaluator, Manisha, Anamika, John, Ananya, Deepika and Suhasini. Already I have shown you the pics of your textbook. Okay, formal discussion, group of 10, analysis the topic, contemplate on it before group discussion, start discussion, the discussion, 10 to 15 minutes, expert listen, evaluate them. These are the important points that you have to remember. Do you think teenagers should be given a separate mobile phone? This is the question for group discussion. So here the student had started. Manisha has started by her, and Namika has started by her. Take a screenshot and write down in your notebook. Then further on the same topic, John and Anamika. Then Ananya, John and Anamika. Take a screenshot of this also. Then John and Manisha, take a screenshot of this. Then evaluator, all right everyone, your time's nearly up. Could someone conclude please? So now everyone has discussed. Now the time has been up. So here John, he is concluding. So how he has concluded, let's see. Taking the point into consideration, mobile is a good and useful tool, but a time period should be allotted to the student to use mobile so that students do not become couch potatoes. Eye problems, posture problems, psychological problems have increased. They sometimes become violent if mobile phones are taken away from them. They can use these phones, but they should be made to use them judiciously. So I hope you understand group discussion. Moving further to 3.6 group discussion, icebreakers, answers. You must have discussed many things with your friends, classmates in a group. It might be about going on a picnic or selecting a gift for your teacher. This was the A1, right? So what do you think are the benefit of a group discussion? A group discussion allows the participant to share their views and opinions. I already explained you this thing earlier also. It allows each participant to analyze the topic or case. A group discussion allows the participant to reach general consensus. Do you think some people are right and some are wrong in group discussion? Why? So this also I have given to you. Yes, I think some people are right and some are wrong in group discussion. We arrange a group discussion on certain topic or situation. Argument in a group discussion can either strengthen or weaken the views. You know what we think that those who makes argument that is in favor of our views are right and those who makes argument against our views are wrong. As we know that in a group discussion participants present their views and opinions, so it's our duty to be open-minded and assess each argument on its own merit. Third, people have different views and opinion because why they are having different views and opinions. So because why they are having, so they are having because different perspective, geographical, social, political and cultural. Complete a web highlighting the uses of group discussion. One is done for you. This is also I have solved for you, means I have already explained you earlier also. Now it is in a written form. Job interviews I have already said to you. Next is ineffective classroom learning, enriching consciences on real life situation in getting admission to prime education. Now group discussion brainstorming activity A4. Write the following sentences in a reported indirect speech. Now see here I have given the question as well as answer to you. He said, if you find my answer satisfactory, will you give me 5 rupees? Your answer would be like, he asked me whether I would give him 5 rupees if I found his answer satisfactory. Second, the astrologer said, you were left for dead, am I right? Answer, the astrologer asked whether he was right in saying that I had been left for dead. I should have been dead if some passerby had not chanced to peep into the well, exclaimed Guru Nanak. So the answer will, Guru Nanak exclaimed that he would have been dead unless some passerby had chanced to peep into the well. He told her, do you know a great load is gone from me today? He told her, do you know a great load is gone from me today? Answer, he asked her whether she knew that a great load was gone from him that day. Here you can see the conversation between Neha and Nidhi. Just have a reading and do the group discussion. This is your homework. Now find sentences from the text in the direct speech and convert them into the reported speech. So here is that. Take a screenshot and write it down. I have given question also and answer too. I hope you have taken the screenshot. Moving to the next second. Take a screenshot very quickly. You have to write down in your English notebook. Third one. Fourth. Now here the students are discussing on mobile phone. Okay, this answer is there. Earlier also I have given in columns. Here it is in a statement. So whatever you like you can take, what better you feel for yourself. Anania's dialogue. John, evaluator, could someone conclude please? So here the evaluator asks whether someone from the group could conclude the discussion. Read the following sentences given in the indirect speech and convert them into the direct speech. So here again the question is given in front of you and answer is also I have provided. Take a screenshot and write down in your English notebook. Again and again I am repeating to you, take a screenshot and write down in your English notebook. Then see, I hope you have taken the screenshot. D. E. Okay, now group discussion brainstorming activity A5. An economically deprived girl student in your class who has received admission in a reputed college abroad needs monetary help. Monetary means related to money. Help to pursue further studies there. Have a group discussion amongst your friend to seek solution to her. Help her. Write 4 to 5 views in the form of dialogues. Here I have given you the dialogues. Satish, Kunal, take a screenshot quickly and write down in your book. You have to write this also in your book. Komal, Rupali, Satish. Again, Satish has started saying. And then next, there is an inter-school cricket match and your school is losing. As you are the captain, have a group discussion with your teammates in the tea break about the strategy to be followed to save your school from losing the match. Give at least 4 to 5 suggestions. Now here, first dialogue is of captain, bowler, captain, spin bowler, captain, John, captain. Okay guys, take your position, alert, we can do it, we can do it, we can do it. This is the dialogue concluding part of captain. Next question is form 4 groups in your class and have a group discussion on the following topics. You can take help of your friends also over here as your people are not coming to college. Role of ICT in education. Here see, group 1 has started, group 2, group 3. I hope you people are taking screenshot. Group 4. Again group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. Then next topic is Clean India. Teacher, you have all been given 5 minutes to think on your topic for today's group discussion, which is Clean India. You may now begin the discussion. So the discussion started by the student group 1. As we know about Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important. Cleanliness is very important in our life. The Clean India movement has helped in cleaning up the street, road and infrastructure in many cities, small towns and rural areas of India. So group 2, group 3, group 4, then again group 1, group 2, group 3, group 4. And finally, the cleanliness is a real need for self-society and for nation. They have accepted it. Now this is the A1 activity of Rama, Asif, Ranjana and Arav, as they have participated in teenager are more inclined towards junk food nowadays. Okay. So this is the evaluator what he is giving the instruction. This is Rama. This is Asif. Arav's dialogue. Ranjana dialogue. I hope you have taken screenshot of this. Evaluator, please conclude. So here Arav conclude. In a conclusion, we can say that our teenagers are inclined to junk food. They must change their food habit. It is very important for them to use healthy food, to consume healthy food. This is a need for healthy society and healthy nation. Thank you so much for listening my video. I hope you understood group discussion, and there is no doubt in unit 3 starting from 3.1 to 3.6. Today we have completed by our unit 3. We are left by chapter 2 chapters, and in unit 4 we are left by 2. Okay, so till then, stay at home, stay safe, complete your English notebook. Till then, thank you so much for listening my video.